Hello, in front of me I've got Ford Kuga. In this video I'll show you how to use passive entry. As you can see right here, I've got the key for the car. Let's lock it. And now let's hide the key in my pocket. As you can see on the driver door handle, we've got this area right here. Simply grab the handle, and now the doors are opened. If you want to close it, again grab the handle and the doors are closed. This function works only when the car key is nearby. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.